Is your student heading to college? Well, we have the perfect dorm room essentials right here at AFW.
That's right, Sonia. With style, function, and value, all these items are sure to please. I know you will love them.
I can't wait to get started. Now, Amy, I love this cool loft workstation. This is a great way to start a dorm room, don't you think?
Oh yes, in a dorm room, it's all about maximizing the vertical space, and this is really perfect for sleeping and also for studying,
right?
Yes.
That's a great combination. I'd love to try it out. Shall we try it out?
We should.
Okay, let's go under here. Okay, I love these chairs.
Don't be afraid to add pop-up colors because it adds that fun and colorful in the room.
It really does. It kind of livens it up. And talk to me about this lighting. I love this lighting here.
Yes, lighting is a must, and this is an LED, especially it's really good for studying.
It really is, and for that late night cramming.
Oh yes.
Now, Amy, I love these cubes. They come in so many different colors.
I really love this because you can put all your stuff in there, your college essentials.
Yeah, so we can just put away the clutter and just store all of our college gear. I love that. So simple.
Exactly.
Nice and tight.
And you can also sit on it for extra seating.
That makes it perfect, yeah. So you can have your friends in your dorm room and hang out, extra seating and storing and decluttering.
Exactly.
That's perfect. Now, Amy, when we're pulling a room together, I always like to have, something a little soft under my feet, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and so we have so many area rugs here. We have 8x10s, we have 5x7s if your dorm room's a little smaller. And I just think it's really nice to have something nice and soft under your feet.
Oh yeah, exactly. The area rug can help anchor the furniture in a room, which helps to create a cozy, intimate space. A rug connects everything and makes it feel nice and cohesive.
Now, Amy, I really love this area. I love the combination of the fun chalkboards with this wonderful bookcase. It's really like bringing the whole room together.
Yes, this is really good for organized. To stay organized, you can add the books.
Oh yeah, all of your textbooks.
For your day-to-day
college days. Yes, I love that. And you can also use these chalkboards for like your supplies, all of your college needs. I just love it. You can put even your schedule on here. Put your little reminders. Yeah, this is just a perfect space to put all of your college essentials in. Stay organized, right?
Yes.
Now, Amy, everybody wants a comfortable chair.
Oh my God, I really love this too. It's soft and cuddly.
It is. It's so cozy. Just to hang out with your friends and even do your homework or read or take a nap even.
Oh,
right?
yes.
I love this. It's really nice and soft. What's your favorite dorm room essential? Tell us below in the comments. Now remember, all these dorm room essentials and more you can find at American Furniture Warehouse or AFW.com. We'll see you at the next Designer's Den.
Bye.